In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Cloud Text-to-Speech. Whether you're developing an application or just looking to experiment with synthetic voices, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. Start by heading over to the Google Cloud Console. This is the central hub where you can manage all your cloud services. If you haven't been here before, don't worry. It's pretty straightforward. You'll just need your Google account to log in. Once you're logged in, take a look around. The console might feel overwhelming at first, but with a little bit of guidance, you'll get the hang of it in no time. Next, you're going to select a project. If you've already created a project before, you'll find a list of those on the dashboard. Otherwise, you can simply create a new project. This step is essential because all your services and API activities are organized within these projects, helping you keep everything tidy and manageable. Now that you have your project ready to go, look for the menu on the left and find APIs and Services. This is where you manage all your API needs. With just a click, you'll open a new world of possibilities, including access to Google Cloud's powerful suite of APIs. Within APIs and Services, click on Library. The library is a comprehensive collection of APIs that Google offers. This easy-to-navigate section lets you search for specific APIs you might need. For this tutorial, we are interested in the Cloud Speech-to-Text API. In the search bar, type Cloud Speech-to-Text and hit Enter. You'll notice a list of related services, but be sure to select the one we need. Once you find Cloud Speech-to-Text API, click on it. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can learn more about its features. Enabling this API is crucial for accessing Google's powerful text-to-speech capabilities. Speaking of enabling, the next step is exactly that. Look for the Enable button and click it. By enabling the API, you're allowing your project to use these services, so all those amazing features are just a step away. And there you have it. With the Cloud Speech-to-Text API enabled, your Google Cloud project is now set to start utilizing text-to-speech services. If you're planning to integrate this into an application, keep in mind that you might need authentication credentials, which you can set up within the same API and Services section. I hope this guide was helpful in getting you started with Google Cloud's text-to-speech functionalities. Now, you're all set to explore and create amazing projects using one of the most robust text-to-speech services available. Thanks for watching and have fun creating.